Hey guys, so I'm probably not going to talk too much during this tutorial, at least to the camera right now, because the camera microphone doesn't pick up quite as well as I would like it to, so I will probably just do a voiceover later. But, so what I want to show you first, well maybe I'll do a little sneak peek earlier, but I made this prosthetic, oh my goodness, like a week or so ago. I really like it. I'm going to put it on my face. Along with that, I have this metal straw and a little light on it, like that. So it's going to be a little anglerfish light bulb. And some other things. And the other thing, I don't know if I'm going to do this. So I have this. It's just thin layer of liquid latex that I saw how to do webbed fingers, so I was thinking about trying that, but I don't have you on a tripod, so I don't know if I'm going to show you the application of this. I might tell you how I did it, but it's also going to take both of my hands to do it, so I don't know, but I guess we'll get started. Because I think this only has like 19 minutes of, recording, so let's hope that I can get this done in time. Oh, and look what else I made. I made little fins. Oh no, wait. Yeah, little fins. I was all confused. Alright, I guess we're gonna get started. Okay guys, so start off with just painting my mouth area black with some Wet n Wild makeup I just showed you there. I bought it at Five Below for $2.99, and just double checking to make sure it's going to fit. And now I'm going to use liquid latex to put on my prosthetic. You can't see that part. And now I'm going to put it on my face, like so. Just, get it all up in there. Looks good. And then, I'm not sure what I did there. I'm going to vape. And now I'm sticking it. So I'm just making it secure in all areas because it is going to move with my mouth. And I'm just like patching up here some of the black area. You can still see kind of the white. And I decide to paint my face with some foundation from NYX that I got at Walmart. And I thought this was going to be my skin tone, but it actually turned out way lighter, which isn't a bad thing. I'm gonna use it. I know I will. So, and if you hear snoring, that's my pug. He's pretty snory right now, but up there you missed, I attached my little fins, and this is going to help create the scales. It's just a fishnet stocking that I purchased at Everyday's Party, and I'm just using eyeshadow to we're going to dab on, because you don't want to rub or smear, because then you won't see the lines. And like I said, this makeup is really cheap from Five Below, so it didn't show up as well as I wanted it to, but it did the trick. You can see it, there's a hue of blue. And now I'm just putting on some eyeliner to, make my eyes look pretty. And I'm using black hairspray to shadow my neck and underneath the prosthetic. And I think about now, oh yeah, that's right, I'm putting eyeshadow on how it's supposed to be put on, which is fine. This is the part that I need help. And then for some reason, my video turned off and I missed like the finished look, but I somehow turned it back on, or it turned back on, and now you can see a video of me taking photos of myself, which is kind of fun to watch, to see. I don't know, I probably took like 8 million right there, and now I'm checking Facebook to look and get my live video up and running to see what's going on.